What's up, guys? Welcome to the WeCoach channel. We are out in front of Pier One Imports. We purchased last week a whole bunch of shelving because we'll be opening up our thrift store soon. We're probably going to go look just to see if there's anything left or see if they drop the prices. So here we go. Hold it like tight to your body so nobody sees. So what we bought last time was we got a lot of new stuff. I just want to see that, how big the boxes are, and see if we can fit some of that in our car or not.
So you have two rolling display table as well.
What's that?
Rolling display table.
Is that this?
No.
That's the rolling display table.
Oh, two, yeah,
That's the large
display.
ones,
Yeah,
right?
that's
And
the
then
large.
these are the
nesting
tables. There's
And
four.
then you have
Those
the-
are brand
the
new.
The tall shelves, so that's the thing like that.
Four of those, I think.
Yeah,
Yes.
but that, I mean,
Those in the box, I think. Those are new. Yeah. So yeah, I just want to see. Actually, point real quick, but I want to see.
riser chair, tabletop display, that you took it, right?
We took.
A sign holder, that you took it.
No, we only took this. Two of these.
You took two top display, yeah.
We never took these. These we can take if they're in the box. We never got these yet.
And you took, one sign holder.
One sign holder and two of these we took already. Yeah, one sign holder like that. We didn't take these. We had two of these.
You have four medium,
What is that?
so the medium one will be,
got
that's the
here?
medium one.
We have four of those. Those are new.
No. And then you have like three, let's say three. So something like that, 1, 2, 3 etagere. So it will be that. So it's
Yeah.
one.
Oh, those are up front. Yeah, those are marked up front.
Okay.
Yeah, those are not new.
Okay, let me see
So-
if I can, let me ask if I can let you in the back too.
Yeah, she did last time. But I didn't really see the boxes. So a lot of this stuff is brand new, still in the box, so which is really cool. We bought these over here. We got two of these that we picked up already. Only $15 each, brand new. These here were $20, brand new. We didn't pick these up. I forget if she said 4 or 2 of these. I think 2. And we got one of these sign holders. We picked out the nicest one. This we picked up already. So you can just drop the sign in. Hey, it's you. Awesome. Uh-oh.
Nobody with those boxes, they didn't come with poles. So we have 3 sets. So you get 3 new boxes, but the other one will have to be one off the floor.
Okay, which table are we talking about? This is
It's the
the
tall
Oh, the tall one.
ones.
Okay.
Because remember in the boxes, they're still back there. We had no way, I forgot that it didn't come with poles, and we searched the whole area back there,
Okay.
and no poles.
Okay.
So I got you
No, that's cool.
those
So
three.
is this all? I'm just trying to get a visual
I got you.
on, like, will it fit in our car?
This
Can we
is-
take some of it.
Yeah, some of it, and then this is the other. It'll
So
be-
all this is ours. All this 11 is all ours. These are all brand new. What else we got? All this here?
And you got can give you all 4, you just have to wait on the poles.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yep. So the poles, you're using them?
Yeah, they're all on the other things, so.
So then
Yeah.
somebody's gonna be with extra, you're gonna have extra shelves that are no use? If I'm following you correctly.
For tall, that is. We won't, I think we put your name out on one of the things out there
Just reserve the,
to reserve, so
The
you're
4.
making sure that you got one, even though you can take the new. We're
Okay.
just reserving it for the.
yeah, and
the
this one's
poles.
not missing anything out of there?
No, this, we peeked
Okay.
in there.
Cool, cool, cool.
We did peek in there to make sure the wheels were in it.
Perfect, so I'm wondering,
Yeah, but I looked everywhere for poles and
that's
I just
unfortunate.
didn't see.
How'd you guys wind up with so many new shelves? Just never used them?
No, they came, they sent us, look at all this stuff, the rolling tables, everything. They sent us all this new stuff and we never really had room for it.
How long
so-
have they been sitting?
Just
Years?
years. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's nice quality stuff.
I mean, you can take one of the big rolling tables. I just have to get it out of there, but. no.
Yeah, no, we'll wait. There's no
Okay.
rush. I'm just trying to get in my head. And we might buy some more stuff from you today. We're just gonna look around and try to get ideas of what we're
These
doing.
these are our new nesting tables. It's not gonna be like the big ones, see? If I open one up.
But they match?
They're a little different. The risers are a little different than those. So I just wanted you to know, these are 13 by 32.
Same size? Smaller, huh?
I'm looking more in the backs.
The little, how much is the little you said?
$15. These?
How much?
These are 15.
15?
They're brand new in the box.
15?
Yeah.
Maybe 4,
4?
not 2,
There's
yeah.
2 already.
Yeah, it's 6 is good.
Pretty plates.
Yeah, I don't, that's not my style.
It's only 20.
Sorry.
So no. Yeah, so this is what we're getting. These, the 20, there's some 20 over there.
Yeah, 4 than this, okay, is 4 little tables,
Yup.
okay.
Two talls.
2 talls, yeah. And no more. Huh?
Yeah, it's good. So, I don't know where she went, but we'll find her. Yeah, this,
Today
this-
bring
we could
something
even
for
put
the
this
home?
on the ground too. So you know they have to use it on the ground just to bring stuff up higher.
Yeah.
We'll bring the little ones home. Whatever we can fit, we'll bring.
Today bring something for the home?
We're gonna have to rent a truck and get it. So
Maybe you can bring something.
yeah, we'll fit what we can.
Love you.
Love you too. Thanks so much, guys, for watching our video. We did pretty good, didn't we?
Oh yeah.
And so we spent about just over $2,000 total. We spent $1,500 and change the last time, another $508 or so today. We're taking home 4 of the tabletop risers. We already bought 2 of those, but the only thing we need now is our clothing racks. I really appreciate you guys. Click the like button if you like this kind of content. If you want to follow our journey, please click the follow button as well. We'd love to have you along with us. This is the WeCoach channel. My name is John Caffarel. This is my wife.
Gladys.
And we are in this together. So that's what the WeCoach channel is all about. We're here for each other. We're here to help you. Any comments, put it down. Any questions, put it down in the comment section down below. Be sure to get back to you. We will see you on the next one. And as I always say, live each breath with passion. Keep going. Make today the best day of your life. And when you do that every day, you're going to have an awesome, awesome life. Thanks, guys, so much. We'll see you on the next one.